early. How's it going, man? The sun's about to come out. We've been here since like 4:30 in the morning. I've been wanting to shoot this for a very long time. So I'm shooting with the Sony A7 Mark II, and I got a Canon 16 to 35mm lens. That's what I'm working with. Yeah, I'm about to go get Jess so we can go somewhere and get breakfast.
Yeah, pretty far.
But anyway, Leah, thank you for posing. You did such a good job. Jason, thanks for coming out. And Eric, always, thanks for shooting with me.
Always a pleasure.
All right. That was such a good shoot. Very successful shoot. I really am proud. I'm really happy. I'm excited to actually go and edit these photos, see how they really turned out. I didn't really have enough time to like kind of vlog and take video while I was shooting because, you know, the sun was coming out quick. So I did take some drone shots, so I'll take a look at that while I get home. It's crazy how in like one side of the island is totally dry. Like it's perfect for the beach. I mean, there's people out there in the beach. We were in the beach, and then you come to the other side of the island, you know, heading downtown, and it is gray and ugly, and it's raining. Look at this. I was just thinking about how close Eric, my buddy that was shooting with me, how close he broke his camera. Like the water splashed and made his monitor turn off, and that's a scary situation. We try to get so low to the water that it's a risk. It's a risk. And Poseidon is a lot worse than the honey badger. He doesn't give a shit. Hey. Oh, what? I want to drop all this stuff first before I get the bacon. And, you know, I can walk the dog too.
How was it?
It was awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah. I shot sunrise this morning, so might as well end the day by shooting sunset and chill, because I am pretty tired. Chill, especially with my beautiful baby mama. If you guys didn't know, my dog suffers through some severe FOMO, fear of missing out. Yeah, FOMO. Oh my god, I almost forgot my comic book. It's perfect. This is exactly how I wanted to end my day. Enjoy the views, you know, the ocean, the sunset, next to my beautiful wife and my crazy dog. Oh, that water was super nice. It's a little cold, but it's been such a good beach day, you know? Such a good beach day.
Why do you hate water so much? Go, Savannah, go.
Go. You got it. Savannah hates the water but loves the beach. Check out this old lady. So that, I don't know if you could tell, you probably can't because she's, you know, swimming. She's swimming and she's dragging her surfboard. This lady is a tiny, old, gray-haired woman. And she's going out there to go surf.
That's pretty badass. She's gonna go hang with the young kids out there. But she's gotta get all the way out there motivated. She's a badass. So it just makes me wanna, you know, keep living the fit and healthy lifestyle. She's just a badass old lady, babe. I can't wait to see her catch a wave like that guy right there. Look at him, he's gonna come all the way in.